Alright, so I had to order these fucking cables. Nobody in town had any. I called up Amazon, or called up. I looked up Amazon. I found these two cables. I think they should be long enough since I'm just zip tying this thing in here. So yeah, I got two cables here. I haven't even tried any of this yet, so let's see how it works. Here's my Samsung. Imagine I'll put the... Huh? I don't even know where I'm going to put this thing yet. The cable looks like. Yeah, clicks in nice. Cable actually has a little lock-in tab even. You know, I don't even know where I'm going to put this thing. I'm guessing I'm just going to zip tie the bitch in there. I am not a computer geek. I don't really know everything about these at all. I don't claim to. I'm learning. But yeah, I don't fucking know. So maybe back this out with, nope. I need a flathead. Fucker. Ah. I'm just going to take this off because it's actually easier maybe for you guys to see what I got going on. So pop this screw out. I like having this little magnetic piece here. You can throw your shit on there and not have to worry about it rolling away. Another screw somewhere. Where is it at? Already rolled. Oh, there it is. Okay, so I pop that loose. How does this work? Oh, just pop her out, huh? A little dusty in there. So if you look in there, you can see the blue cable piece there. That's what we're plugging into. It says SATA 2. Can you see it? It's the blue square there. Hopefully you saw that. SATA. So I think I'm gonna plug in this straight edge in there. Well, if you couldn't have seen that before, maybe you can see it now, because now it's got a cable plugged into it. So you got a blue and a white on this unit. I don't know if they're all the same. And then right here we got this cord here. This was already running in here. And this is the power cord for this, I believe. And this Samsung solid state drive. Alright, so as far as I know, you plug this bad boy in, it's upside down. Oh no, that'll work. Boom, and then you take this bitch, you align. If you look, it has a little, both of these, they have like a little drop bracket, so you can't really fuck it up if you look at the plug. Even the other side it was like that. There's a drop pin in here, or whatever you call it. I'm sure there's a term for it, but like, see how it kicks down right here, and this one does the same right there. Same with these, they got a kick down and a kick down. So if you line those up, you should be golden. Bink. Bink. So that is that. I don't have any extra little screws or anything, so I think I'm just gonna zip tie this bitch in here. Make sure nothing's rubbing on anything. I'm gonna slide this back up. And well, I guess I could zip tie it right here if I wanted to. Wonder if it'd get hot. I doubt it would get hot, but I'm sure they have a cage or something you can buy. I didn't buy anything. Oh, look, I could have went right there with the screw if I wanted, or right there. But I don't have any. Plus, I would have to shift that over. I like that. I'm going to check and see if I have a little screw that'll work. I mean, you're psycho like me, you keep a screw drawer like this. Ooh, right off the bat I found one. But I think it's too long. Definitely too long. But right off the bat I found a little screw to right thread pitch and everything. Ooh, what's that? Ooh, I think I got it. Fuck, see? See why you keep a drawer like this? Like everybody's, what do you do with your old shit? You throw it in a fucking drawer. I found a fucking screw for this with ease. And I just made another tip unlimited based on finding this shit, because I save all these screws. It took me 2 seconds to go upstairs, go in the garage and find my shit. So let's plug this in. Pink. I was gonna zip tie this fucker in here. So we're plugged in. I'm thinking I want to twist it like this and up, because that's not intrusive to anything really. So if I slid this up, yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna put a screw in right fucking there. What do you think? I was gonna zip tie this thing in here, but why? And I know they sell cages and shit if you want to get all fucking technical. But I don't want to. I just want to get this shit done so I can move on to the next fucking pain in the ass project. So yeah, stick your screw in there. I don't have a top hole that aligns up, but I don't think I need it. I mean, I could have raised this and hung it from the top too. I don't think it would have fucking mattered. So yeah, I screwed this in there. Boom, it's in there. Look at that. Fits all snug. So that card is worth a terabyte, so that's why I'm doing this. I'm trying to speed this thing up. This is an older unit, but it's a good unit. It's got 2 terabytes of storage in it already, which I have fucking ate through with all the stupid videos I never made. But fuck, do I have footage. My dumbass hasn't made the videos, but I sure as fuck got the footage. So boom, that's in there. As you can see in there. Now we're mounted in. Got my screw there. We're set. Cables aren't rubbing on nothing. I guess that's the best we could do. Yeah, you guys see? So yeah, I'll put this box back on. Box, I said, yeah, I'll put this box back on. That don't make no fucking sense. I'm gonna put this side piece on. I wonder if I should have put that thing lower. Like maybe on this piece here. Since that's where airflow goes, I guess. Or wait. No, it goes like this. So I'm wrong. Come on. Guess you gotta be a little forceful with these things. They don't just slide on easy. I don't even know if I'm in the groove here. I think I'm missing one. What the fuck is going on? Alright, bitch. Let's try again. That's better fit. Oh. And you just got another little fucking screw right here. See, and I'm not a computer guy. What the fuck is this? Is this where you're supposed to put the motherfucker? So you could access it? I'm learning with you guys. I'm just showing you that I'm not scared to get in here and get shit done. Like, I'm no pro by any fucking means when it comes to these things. Now, when it comes to cars and woodwork, I fucking got that shit down. Well, I got electrical down, plumbing. This is like one of the few things I've been starting to dabble in just because out of curiosity, you know. Like, what is this? Looks like it's meant to open. So yeah, I'll boot this fucker up. If I run into any problems, I'll let you know. I don't think I'm going to. I'm not going to waste any more of your time. Get yourself a little kit like this. I think that Harbor Freight sells something similar to this. I happen to get this one at Menards. I don't know if a lot of people have them at Menards. I'm sure the box stores have one. It's cheap. It's Chinese shit all the way, but fuck has this thing been handy for breaking into cell phones. You saw how easy it was to get in this laptop. Buy a little kit like this. I'm sure you can get it on Amazon for cheap. Yeah, get you something like this. That way you can work on shit. More tools to hang around.
No limits, no script. Just sit around and watch me build some shit. Nathan!